Well, hello everyone. Um, I figured it would be appropriate to make my first video about healing coughs and colds and things. So here I am, and I brought my cough along to demonstrate for you all. I might hack and die. We'll see how it goes. And if I do, that's okay. It's all clearing, right? It's all getting that gunk out of there. So that's why, suppressing a cough isn't a great idea. Just get it out, right? That's what NAC is for. NAC is awesome. Acetylcysteine, love that stuff. Just breaks it all up and makes it easier to cough it out. Anyway, but I'm not a doctor, so, don't sue me and don't listen to me. I'm just talking about my own things and what I do for my own personal body. So, surprisingly, it is a lot better than it was yesterday and the day before and the day before that. So, like, leaps and bounds. I actually slept last night, and I actually slept really good last night, and that doesn't even happen. It rarely happens when I'm feeling 100%. So, that's super exciting. Okay, so to get started, shall we just jump in? I actually was gifted, it's recording, right? Yes, okay, because that happened earlier. I've had a few false starts, so that's always fun. Who's this? Oh, Callie. Hi, baby. You want to come meet everybody? Yeah. This is Callie. She's very gentle and wonderful in spite of her name being, a goddess of destruction. She's pretty non-destructive, surprisingly. Just like Tulsi is, named after a stress relieving herb, and she causes a lot of stress sometimes in her beautiful little ways. But anyway, okay. So I was gifted a 1,200 page document that is a PDF of a book called Illnesses and Ailments, Their Psychological Meanings. And according to that book, respiratory problems are about feeling unsafe in the world and fear of taking life in fully. Coughing is guilt or inhibition around self-expression. It's also guilt for accountability for negative events. Stuffy nose is not recognizing your self-worth, and a runny nose is an inner cry for help. So that's all very interesting. I thought that would be good to share because full health is really a many-faceted diamond, isn't it? It's all psychological and emotional and energetic and spiritual all at the same time. And when you want to heal properly, you got to heal all the levels. So, first things first, if you're really getting into this, you might want headphones because I had no idea. I have 2 speakers on my phone, so so I can do like binaural beats. So yeah, it might take me some getting used to, like figuring out where things are and if everything lines up properly, so I apologize for that. Yeah, let's just do a little Schumann strike here. Maybe one day I'll invest in like a real microphone, and then this will be easier. Till then, bear with me. So that is the frequency of the earth. Your brain will translate those two frequencies into the frequency of the earth, which is 7.83 hertz, or it's supposed to be. Fluctuates a little bit and causes us all a little unease sometimes. So not all of this is going to be, super pretty things that you hear, but it'll work regardless. It's getting to you. So first things first, we're going to start here, and we're going to move up, and then that'll hopefully or intentionally draw the energy up and out. So first we're going to work here on the heart chakra. And I know I'm doing it on me physically, but you're getting the same energy. Okay. Now we're going to do the 417s. 417 is great for breaking up energy. I figure we can break up some congestion in there. And this will be one that you can hear, so you won't have to feel left out. So to me, that's feeling constrained. It's just not projecting the way it usually does. So that's significant to note. So we're intending this to go for the heart chakra. So pull that in there for yourself. I mean, I'm pushing it there too, but it works both ways. You can definitely help yourself to get more out of this than just, sitting there. I mean, you're welcome to just sit there too. Sorry, I always look in the wrong spot. There you are. Hi. See, it feels like it's helping. P.S. I love this stuff. This is Botanica's olive leaf spray. I don't know if you can see. Not really, but they're a great brand. I think they're Canadian, so good luck finding it. Now I take significantly more than what they suggest. I just do it whenever, I feel a tickle. Yes, we're gonna move on to the 528, which is like the feather duster that I like to bring through after the 417. Just kind of smooths everything out. And it's beautiful. I hope you can't hear all the outside noise. I have the window open because it's beautiful outside and hot in here. So I hope that's okay. Okay, so sending energy, but I'm also feeling like I need to pull shit out. Sometimes you gotta get rid of it before you start filling it up with new, revitalized energy. So let's do that. Sometimes when I'm pulling like this, feels like, and kind of looks like black tar, where I can just take it and wrap it around my hand, yank it out, throw it away. You definitely feel a difference once it's gone. And then fill up with his hand. So when I fill it back up, I'm seeing like little sparkles of green filling up the heart chakra, which is also green or pink, but usually a healthy green. And I mean, they vary because a lot of times there's interaction between the chakras too, where it's not an unhealthy thing, but I'll see other colors in there. Sometimes they borrow from each other, and that's normal and healthy. Not always long term. Sometimes there can be some imbalance there, but it really depends on the situation. A lot of times it does happen in a very healthy way. But my point was, I like to kind of drizzle little particles of green or whatever. That's what it is this time. That's funny too, because I was watching a video where this man was talking about his healing technique, the author, whoever he was, I don't remember what the book is now. And one of the techniques he does, he calls playing the piano in the energy field. And I kind of do that too. And I, it's just one of those things that I don't really know why I'm doing it. I just do it because that's what feels right to do. Just do, kind of, I don't know, mix it up. But yeah, so it was validating to hear that that's used in other actual more official techniques. I don't know who he is. Maybe he's not official. Maybe he's just some dude, just like I'm just some dudette doing my own thing. Yeah, the 528's feeling pretty nice. I don't know if you guys agree. I can do that better. And if you can't still hear it, I can, like I reactivate them once I can't hear them anymore for the most part or feel it anymore. But just do know that if I'm holding it up, you're still getting stuff. Let's play with the 222 because I love it so much. It's one of my newbies and it's so beautiful. So let's do a little bit of this. Yeah, it's nice. Sorry for the background beeping. That's my my smoke alarm being like, please replace me. And I'm like, well, I will as soon as my place is clean and I can have landlord come in for a visit, or the maintenance people, or whatever. Not right now. It's nice. Very nice. This fork feels nice and expansive, which is maybe why I felt drawn to use it for expanding the lungs, expanding the lung capacity. There's something going on under the bed. I don't know. Oh, or right there. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I mean, you could just go behind. What are you doing? Okay. Okay. Yeah, she's very graceful. That's Callie again. Tulsi has a white tail tip. Right, Tulsi? Where are you? You're not Tulsi. You're adorable, though. I love you. My little chunky friend. Oh, good. Now she's going to climb the screen because that's definitely helpful for the mood. Oh, good. They're all in there. I'm sorry, everybody. Callie, please don't, honey. Not right now. Save it for later, okay? Thank you. Oh, good girl. Oh, she listens so well. Okay. So we're going to put the forks down for a little bit here. And we're at about 23 minutes. I don't want to go longer than a half hour. That feels like nobody's going to watch it. Even my first video, my retention time was like 2 minutes and 18 seconds. So, but I hope someone's still here. Okay, so we're gonna just do a little bit of Reiki. See if there's anything I'm picking up from you guys. That might be more clear in other videos when I'm not working on something I'm dealing with. Then more about what you guys are dealing with may come through. I don't know, I'm speculating. In the sense that I feel like I'm not gonna get as much from you guys when I'm sick. That could be wrong. That could be very wrong, but we'll see. I'm sure it's a rich tapestry. Oh, I did want to work on the other chakras too. So maybe we'll go longer, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Okay, so let's work on throat. We're gonna do 144 for the throat, just for something different, since I seem to used up a lot already because I forgot to move upward while concentrating here. I mean, that's where the majority of my crap is going on. Throat a little bit tickly, not anything too crazy. Can you guys hear this? It's quite low on my end. That's better. Yeah, I was like, the weight's not doing it for this fork. I have a couple of ways to activate, right? So we've got the puck and the weight. The weight works wonderfully when I'm doing two, especially if I don't want to have to pick up the puck, because although I think maybe I can just, no. Yeah, so it just requires that extra hand, which I don't always have. Oh, that's good. Hmm. Ooh. See, that's why I was working in the chest mostly, because that's where it all is. Something else really helpful with tuning forks, since my eyes glanced over here, is Lemurian crystals. So I have a few because I love them, and I have with me, I like to keep it with my forks to keep them all cleansed and charged up and soaking up Lemurian healing codes. So I've got this bad boy. Oh, love it. So I don't know if you want to have a little look. Look at all this. Oh, it's beautiful and it feels so nice. So flat side. This is nice little like canyon in there. So now when I'm working on people, obviously, well, not obviously, I guess, usually they're laying down, and I'll put a crystal on them, and then I can hold the fork on them as well. So let's do that. Now you can do it either like this or facing in. And again, just to confirm, yes, I'm pointing it at me, but it is also going to you. Why? How? Because that's my intention. It's all about intention and Reiki symbols that get it all there. So don't you worry. Okay, let's do a little bit more 222. And should we work on third eye as well? Get those sinuses. Let's do that. So you can put it right on. You can also just put it in the field. Again, as I mentioned last time, close to or on the body is acute, things that are happening now. Far away, that is back in the past. Another thing I like to do when I'm working on clients is to pull energy out. And that's a technique that I learned in the first tuning fork class that I took. This is why I like doing different modalities and different teachers, because then you learn a whole bunch of stuff and put it all together and make it your own. So you can pull out. I also like to put in. Now more so with the putting in the energy, usually when I'm doing that, it's when I've been working in the field and drawing stuff through, finding it and neutralizing it and bringing it back to the body. So then I bring it back to the body and kind of pour it into that chakra. There's a little chunky monster behind us. Oh, hi, honey. Yes, I see you're there. I love you. Look at her little tum-tum. It's amazing. Can I poke it? No? I'd like to. It's fun. Yeah, you're beautiful, honey. Yeah? Okay. You clean your mitt. You do it. Thank you for stopping. I still can't laugh. I'm sorry. And then I'm gonna deafen everybody. You're gonna have your headphones on because I said to, and then you're gonna lose your hearing when I cough in your face. Look at what a chonk she is. Oh my gosh. I love you, baby. You eat the same as everyone else. Why are you gigantic? Yeah, I know, honey. I'm not making fun. Please don't. Just, can you clean your special areas? No, ow, honey. Somewhere else, maybe, not in front of the camera. Is that okay, baby? Don't bite. You be a good girl. Oh, you're such a good girl. Okay. That was a good one. Sometimes you just feel them getting through, you know? And you feel, or I feel, yeah, I feel it breaking through, and I feel the energy that I'm working on kind of breaking up or smoothing out, or, you know, whatever kind of needs to happen. It's different each time. And I'm so sorry about this here. It's kind of entertaining, but like, yeah, no, okay. I mean, if you want to clean yourself, that's okay, I guess. But like, if you could just, you know, tone it down a little. We don't need you with your leg in the air. Okay, this is not that kind of video. Okay. It's very nice. So we're shooting this at your third eye and or sinuses, or third eye on behalf of your sinuses. I mean, like, I'm kind of sorry, and I'm kind of like, this is hilarious. Yeah. You got a little fat belly. Can I play with your nip-nops? Can I? It's fun. Maybe not on camera because it's not that kind of video, right? Isn't that what we said? Okay, that's enough. Okay, we don't have to bite our mother. Okay. 528. So we're going to kind of end off the healing with the 528. doing the crown. If you're working from the bottom up, it's always a good idea to not forget your crown. You don't want your energy to all get stuck in here. When I was in India, it was like an 8-day stay at the ashram and meditating all the time and everything, and it was wonderful. But we also had talks during the day. In one of the seminars that I took part in, the gentleman was talking about how so many people, they get into like Kundalini meditations and stuff and bring everything right here and hold it right here. And it seems like a great idea at the time, but you have to bring it up and let it out. And that's why he says a lot of people who do Kundalini meditations improperly end up with mental illness, because you can't keep everything right there. It's got to go out to the divine. I mean, we're at 42 minutes, but I'm like kind of enjoying this. So we're going to do just kind of close up each chakra. It's just one strike each of the sky. The sonic slider. It's funny because I'll often ask clients for these three if it's uncomfortable. So I think it can be. But honestly, I don't think I've ever had anyone say, yeah, it's uncomfortable, please stop. Ever. Definitely not the stop part. I sometimes get uncomfortable. It's different with this though. Like, I can't wear a turtleneck, and even necklaces that are a little snugger. Don't like it. Feels like I'm being choked. But this is different, because this is giving me nice, good energy, and my body's okay with it. Now, to tie everything up, seal everything up, we are going to do a figure 8. So I'll kind of imagine you here. We'll do a figure 8 up above the head, so you get the soul star chakra as well, and under the feet, so you get the Earth Star chakra as well. You don't want to cut people's feet off. You know what I mean? Maybe. Do you? And it doesn't have to be like a crazy wide berth or anything. It's like, I don't know, a foot above and a foot below should do it. But I'm also picturing you people like, you know, like that. So it's not quite a foot from my end. All right. I don't know how exciting this was. I feel like the next one will be better when I'm not under the weather and able to just focus on you guys. I think that will be more fun. This is very long as well, so we'll see how many people actually watch it and watch more than 2 minutes. And it's okay, I understand. I mean, if you're listening to this, then you've seen more than 2 minutes, probably. But yeah, all right. Thank you for watching, and I hope if you've got any kind of chest congestion, cough, cold going on, that you found this helpful. I feel like I have. And it also will need a few minutes, maybe a couple hours to kind of take hold. All right, I love you guys, and thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Hey, Kush Kush. Yeah, see? Oh, there's a beautiful lady. Oh, you're a beautiful lady, aren't you? Okay, yeah, now she's biting again. That's okay. Okay, thanks, guys.